Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's Tovia Ogun. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. So guys, on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber. So if you're not yet monetized and you're looking for other ways that you can actually make money on YouTube, then this is the video for you. And of course, if you're already monetized, you can also watch the video because there is no enough way to make money. Okay, if you're making money from different places, it's for your own good. So there is no, oh, I'm already making too much money, so I don't want to make more money. You gotta make more money. If you see any other way, then go ahead and make the money. Anyways, enough with me talking. Let's just dive into the first way you can actually make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber. So the first way you can actually make money on YouTube is by selling your own product. So if you're a small YouTuber and you're still very new to YouTube, or at least you have 1 or 2 people subscribed to you, you can actually make money from those people just by selling your own product. If you're into the lashes business or the clothes business or the makeup business, any type of business at all, you want to make sure that you're displaying it on your video. So let's say for example, I'm into the lashes business. So what I want to do in every of my video is, before I start giving the tips or before I start talking about what that video is about, I want to quickly introduce my lashes. I can say this lash I'm wearing today is from my this and this brand, or from this type of my collection. If you guys like it, you can write me on Instagram. I'll just leave my link below. Just write me, then I'll get it for you. Or just kind of talk about your lashes or your clothing or whatever it is that you're selling on the video, at least at the beginning of the video. You don't want to wait in the middle or to the end. The reason is, not everybody will watch all of your video, not everybody will stay to the end. It could be that the instant you just talk about that lash is going to attract them. They'll be like, oh, that lashes looks so good, I want to get it for myself as well. So you can actually sell your own product on YouTube. You don't need to have 1,000 subscribers, 500 subscribers, or like that. You just need to make sure your subscribers actually trust you enough to buy your own product. Trust the product that you're selling, that it's genuine and it's good quality. Just like me, I have a book I have written that is currently being sold on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link up and below. You guys can go see the book for yourself. It's on how to pray. So I actually wrote that book and I've been getting money monthly just from people buying that book. That's one way I've been making money as a small YouTuber, and you can actually do the same. So that's the first way to actually get paid on YouTube without you being monetized. And of course, if you're monetized, more money for you. Now let's say you are the type that don't have any products yet that you're selling, so you can actually do the tip number 2, and that is join Facebook Marketplace. So in case if you guys don't already know, you can actually make money on YouTube just by selling the items you no longer want, or sell your own products, or just sell things that you bought that didn't fit you, or the things that you bought and you don't like them anymore, or the things you used to use and you don't want them anymore. You can actually sell them on the Facebook Marketplace. For anyone that don't know, how do you actually get to the Facebook Marketplace? Let me just open my Facebook right now to show that to you guys. So once you open your Facebook, you want to click on the 3 dot by the side. Once you click on that, just scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the place that says Marketplace. You can actually click on it. Now once you click on it, you want to choose the option that says sell. So the instant you click on sell, it's going to ask you, what do you want to sell? Is it an item? Is it vehicles? Is it property for sale or rent? Or is it jobs? So you get to choose whatever you want to sell. The common one is items, just your usual items. So once you click on it, you're going to see more questions. You're going to upload the photo, give your location. You can actually start selling your own product through the Facebook group, and just fill up the description, and that's one way to actually start. Now the third way you can actually make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber is through affiliate marketing. This one is the most popular one, which all of us do, both those YouTubers that are already monetized and the ones that are not yet monetized. Affiliate marketing is one of the biggest way people use in making money on YouTube, and the most popular one is the Amazon affiliate or TubeBuddy affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to just sign up with a brand, and then you can actually earn commission. So how it actually works is, you can choose to reach out to this brand yourself. So for example, you like any brand out there, it could be Zara, it could be H&M, and you like their brand, all you need to do is to just reach out to them, be like, oh, you want to be an affiliate marketer for them. So what they will do is to give you a link to their products. So once they give you that link and you put it on your video description box, once people buy anything through that link of yours, you will earn a commission. Depending on the commission that the company has given to you, you will actually earn commission from it. Another way is these brands can actually reach out to you. For me, for the past weeks and days, I've been getting lots of brands reaching out to me to do affiliate for them, to help them sell different kind of products. So even told me that any product I sell for them, I can actually share the money with them. That being said, that is one way you can actually make money on YouTube. Either you reach out to the brand or wait for them to reach out for you, and I will then reach out to you to have your social media links or have your Gmail account, and then they can actually message you through that. Again, you don't need to be monetized to start making money on YouTube through affiliate marketing. So the fourth way you can actually make money as a small YouTuber is by having a website. Now, not a lot of people don't talk about this a lot, but you can actually make money on YouTube just by having a website. So for me, I once had a website which I closed last year, 2020. So the reason I actually closed that website was because I didn't have enough time anymore to be writing there, because I used to write a lot, post different topics, and people were going there. So once you start your website, you've all built it up, all you need to do is to start running apps on your website, Google apps. So once you're running those Google apps on your website, you will start making money. Once people click on those apps on your website, you will start making money off it. You don't need to have a certain amount of viewers or anything, or have 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers to do this. But the only thing I'm going to advise you is, if you have a YouTube channel and you use the same Google AdSense account on your YouTube for your website, that is going to hinder you from getting paid on your website. The reason is because it is Google AdSense that is paying for the money. They're going to tell you to hit your 4,000 watch hours first before you can start making money through your website. So you want to make sure that you do not use the same Google AdSense account. In that way, you can start making money straight ahead from your website. You can do the free website or you can do the paid website. It all depends on what you want and the features that you actually want. But that being said, that's one way to actually make money as a small YouTuber. Now, the fifth way you can actually make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber is by offering online training courses. Now, I know a lot of people have been doing this. I know a lot of people are out there making money off online courses, especially those big YouTubers that do create courses on YouTube, algorithm, how to get your videos viral, how to make more money on YouTube. A lot of them are making money off this very topic. I'm also teaching you guys. They do create courses on them. I even know a YouTuber out there that is basically into the TikTok algorithm. He makes lots of courses online just for that, and if you're watching those videos, you're gonna go buy his course, because it doesn't give you everything on his video. It's gonna direct you to his course. Go buy that book, go buy that course, go join this course. In that way, he will also start making extra money off those courses that people are applying to. So that's one way to actually make money. So if you have that interesting topic, or you know that thing, you can actually teach people that you know people actually want, because this will not work for you if you just want to create any type of courses. It won't work. It has to be a course on something that people are really interested in, things that people want to learn. You can actually create a course on it, and then people will go watch it. People will pay any amount just to watch your course. As long as they do gain what they really want from that course, you can actually make money off it. So guys, if you've not yet seen other of my videos on how to make money on YouTube and how to grow your YouTube channel as a small YouTuber, I'm gonna leave those videos on the iCards on the description box. Make sure you go see those videos, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching this video. I love you all. If you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now, and do take good care of yourself. Bye.